So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 4 questions to answer on the topic non-metals and their compound. So guys, this video will be about sulfur as an element. So in short, stay to the end of this video. So let's quickly go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, which of the following is an allotrope of sulfur? We have sulfur hexafluoride. We have B, rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. We have C, sulfur dioxide. We have D, sulfuric acid. So guys, the answer to this question will be option B here, and that's rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. So sulfur exhibits allotropy with 2 well-known allotropes, that's the rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. So that's it for that question. Let's consider the next question, question number 2 here. It says, extraction of sulfur from the Earth's crust is by the process A, kiln process, B, Frasch process, C, Solvay process, and D, contact process. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's the Frasch process. Sulfur is extracted from the Earth's crust using the Frasch process. So this process involves drilling a hole into the sulfur deposits. Then superheated water and compressed air are now pumped down the hole. So the sulfur melts and is now forced to the surface of the air pressure. And that's it, guys. So option B is the answer to this question. Let's consider the next question, guys. Question number 3 here. It says, what is the process used to extract sulfur from underground deposits? So guys, we've answered this question before. We have acid leaching, flotation, Frasch process, and electrolysis. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's the Frasch process. So let's consider the next question and the last. That's question number 4 here. It says, an element used in the production of matches is A, sulfur, B, copper, C, nitrogen, D, aluminium. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, and that's the sulfur. Sulfur is used in the production of matches. When a match is struck, the friction generates enough heat to convert the red phosphorus on the matchbox to white phosphorus. So this reacts with the potassium chlorate in the match head to produce enough heat to ignite the sulfur. So this now sustains the flame long enough to ignite the wood of the matchstick. So guys, that's it. That's just a series of reaction occurring here. So this is where we'll end this video, guys, for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. If you have any specific question regarding this video, guys, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below. So thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.